On the 9th day of Pilates, my instructor gave to me side lying on our bellies. We're not on our bellies, but it rhymed. Hello there, my name is Gretchen, founder of Balance to the Core, and today we are on day number 9 of the 12 days of Pilates. So be sure you've done the previous days in order to get your max out of this day. Okay, so today we are doing side lying. So we have already lied down on our backs, we've stayed upright, we've gone on our bellies, so we've worked all of these positions. The hardest one is actually our sides, because the only part palpating against the floor is our side. So we have to really connect with the front back body, not against anything. So it's a little bit harder to hold our alignment, but we can do it, all right? So come join me, grab your mat, and let's do this. So what I want you to do is lie down on the back of your mat, so really line up with it, and then let's cradle our head in our arms so that we can really just focus on the lower body and not so much the upper body. So I want you down today. And then you're gonna squeeze your thighs and bring them to the front corner of your mat, okay? So your legs are long, they should be equal length, so make sure that top leg isn't sinking back. Keep that top leg right over the bottom. Keep both reaching long, okay? And then we always want our spine lengthening, right? So you want to reach out of the crown of your head one way, out of the tailbone in the other. What does that do for you? As you try to get longer, you should feel your belly engage and maybe your waistline lift a little bit so we're not hanging in, our hips sink in, our waist sinks in, right? We are lengthened at all times. Top hand rests in front of you so you can really stabilize that top shoulder. Okay, so just work that right now and lift your top leg. We're gonna take our top leg just forward and back, nice and easy. And I want you to try to do that without letting your torso move at all. So you're just concentrating on stability of the shoulder, length of your spine. Keep getting longer and longer with each kick. And the more that you can stabilize your torso, the freer this leg's going to feel. It's not going to grip because the emphasis is on our core. Now take that leg, lower it down, turn it out, and we're going to kick that leg as high as we can towards our nose. It's turned out, all right? And we want to pulse it twice. 1, 2. Flex that foot and bring it all the way down. All right, we kick it towards our nose as we keep turning that leg out and then flex it down. Now the key when we kick it up is 1, we're turning it out, right? But the other is we're reaching long in our spine. So the higher that leg lifts, the more our spine's gonna wanna sink in, but I want you to really create length. Lift, lift, pull it down. Now I want you to hold it high up, pulse, pulse, and then lower it halfway down and lift it back up. Halfway down, lift it up. Now keep the turnout in the hip. What tends to happen is we roll inward, and we don't want to do that. We want to keep the turnout at the hip. 3, 2, and 1. Good. And lower it down. All right, so I'll balance the body. We're going to do it fully into our other exercises, but I don't want to waste time really on the other side. So if you want to do the other side, press pause and you can go through that other side. All right, but let's put it together with all our other days and get a good workout.